Hello students, welcome to Vista's Learning. We are back with yet another interesting session and we are this time going to learn about addition and subtraction. The chapter name is Give and Take, chapter number 12 in your textbook. So, what are we going to learn in this chapter? Concept of addition and subtraction. What do you mean by addition and subtraction? So, we are going to discuss in this chapter. To add two-digit numbers using group of 10. How we can add two-digit numbers using group of 10. Making group of 10, we will add two-digit numbers. To subtract two-digit numbers without borrowing. Without taking a borrow, how we are going to subtract two-digit numbers, we are going to discuss in this session. To subtract two-digit numbers with borrowing. And when we need to take borrow, how we are going to subtract two-digit number, we are going to discuss here. So let's start. The first thing we are going to discuss is concept of addition and subtraction. When we put or combine things together, we say we are adding. When we put two things together or we combine two things, we say we are adding. Like, see the example here. Here you could see 3 lollies are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 lollipops are there. If I add one more lollipop. So what am I doing here? I am combining this and this. That means I am adding. And this is the sign of addition. So what am I doing here? I am combining this with this. So what will I get is 4 lollipops. 3 lollipop combined with 1 lollipop. So I will get 4 lollipops. So what am I doing? I am doing addition. That means I am combining two things. I am putting together two things. And that is only called addition. Right, children? Now, we learn about subtraction. When we cross things or we take away things, we say we are subtracting. Again, let us understand this with an example. Here you could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons are there. If I take away 3 balloons, that means if I subtract 3 balloons from this, what will be left? I will be left with 2 balloons. 1, 2, 3. I have taken away. So, I am left with 2 balloons. Right? So, what we are saying here that when we cross things or we take away things, we are subtracting. So, I am taking away these 3 balloons here. I am remained with 2 balloons. Right? I am left with 2 balloons. What am I doing here? I am subtracting. I am taking things away. Right? So, when we take things away or when we cross things, we say we are subtracting. To add two-digit numbers using group of 10. Now, using group of 10, how we can add two-digit numbers? Let's see. She is Hani. Hani sells beads in the market. She sells loose beads and bracelets of 10 beads each. She is Hani. She sells beads in the market. So, she sells loose beads as well as bracelets made out of beads. So, she takes 10 loose beads and makes one bracelet of 10 beads. And other beads, she keeps it loose. So, if she has 10 beads, she makes one bracelet. And beads which are less than 10, she keeps it loose. Right? Now, Lamia comes to buy beads from Honey. Let's see how many beads Lamia wants. Lamia wants 22 beads. Honey gives 2 bracelets of 10 beads. She gives 2 bracelets of 10 beads. Why she gives 2 bracelets of 10 beads? Because in the number 22, 2 is in tens place. Right? If 2 is in tens place, that means 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. So 1 tens and 2 tens. And she even gives 2 loose beads. Why she gives 2 more loose beads? Because in the ones place, it is 2. So Honey gives 2 bracelets of 10 beads each and 2 more loose beads. So in total, she is giving her 22 beads. Right, children? Now, again, Sneha comes to buy beads from Honey. Let's see how many beads Sneha wants to buy from Honey. Sneha wants 56 beads. Honey gives 5 bracelets of 10 beads each. What Honey does? She gives 5 bracelets of 10 beads each. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Why she gives 5 bracelets of 10 beads? Because 5 is in tens place. 5 tens means 50. So she gives 5 bracelets of 10 beads each. And she even gives 6 more loose beads. Now why is she giving 6 more loose beads? Because in the ones place it is 6. Right? So that is the reason she gave her 5 bracelets of 10 beads and 6 beads loose. So in total this is 56. 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 tens plus 6, 56. So Honey gave her 56 beads. Let's add the total number of beads Lamia and Sneha bought together. Lamia bought 22 beads. 22 beads means 2 tens plus 2. Right, children? And Sneha bought 56 beads. 56 beads means 5 tens. 5 tens means 50 plus 6 beads. In the ones place, it is 6. So, 50 plus 6 will give us 56. Right? So, totally when I add in the ones place, 6 plus 2 will give me 8. 50 plus 20 will give me 70. 5 plus 2, 7. 0 plus 0, 0. So, 70 plus 8 will give me 78. Right? By adding ones, we get 2 plus 6, 8. By adding tens, we get 20 plus 50, that is 70. Which means 7 tens. 70, I could also say 7 tens. 70 means 7 tens. So, 7 tens plus 8 ones means 78. In the tens place, 7 is there, right? 7 tens. So, I will write 7 and 8 ones. So, the number is 78. In total, they both of them bought 78 beads, right? Lamia and Sneha bought 78 beads. Now, in simple way, we can add these numbers in this box by arranging them according to their place value. So, if we then made a group of 10, then in a simple way also we can do addition. We can arrange number in this box according to their place value. How we can do that? First we will write tens and ones in this box. Then we will arrange numbers according to their place value. So, 2 and 2, right? First, Lamia bought 22 beads, right? So, I will write 2 in tens place and 2 in ones place. Honey bought 56 beads. So, I will write 5 in tens place and 6 in ones place. So, after adding, I will get 2 plus 6, 8, 5 plus 2, 7. So, in this simple way also children, we can do addition according to their place value, arranging numbers according to their place value, right? Now, let's understand to subtract 2-digit numbers without borrowing. How many more beads does Sneha have than Lamia? Lamia and Sneha both bought the beads. Lamia bought 22 beads. Sneha bought 56 beads. So, we need to find out how many more beads Sneha have than Lamia. So, for this, we need to find the difference between Sneha and Lamia's bead. We need to find the difference, right? How many beads Sneha has and how many beads Lamia has. First, we need to find the difference. Then, for finding the difference, we need to do subtraction, right? To subtract two 2-digit numbers without borrowing. For this, what we are going to do? Sneha has 56 beads and Lamia has 22 beads. So, we will arrange these numbers in this box. Number of more beads Sneha has, it is 56 minus 22. We need to find the difference between Sneha's and Lamia's bead. So, what we are going to do? First, we will write tens, then ones. Then we will arrange this number. Since 56 number, 5 is in tens place, so I will write it in tens column. 6 is in ones place, so I will write it under ones column. And for the number 22, 2 is in tens place, so I will write it in tens column, and this 2 I will write it in ones column. And then I will do the subtraction. 6 minus 2 will give me 4, 5 minus 2 will give me 3. So, therefore, Sneha has 34 more beads than Lamia. So, we have done subtraction without borrowing. That means here no need to take borrow. So, where we need to take borrow, we will understand this now. To subtract two 2-digit numbers with borrowing. She is Nisha. She has 32 bangles. And she is Sukhi. She has 16 bangles. So, how many more bangles does Nisha have than Sukhi? For this, we need to do subtraction, that how many more bangles Nisha has than Sukhi. So, what we will do? In order to find out this, we need to find the difference between Nisha and Sukhi's bangles, right? So, Nisha has 32 bangles, Sukhi has 16 bangles. For this, we will perform subtraction. Here in tens and ones. So, I will write numbers according to their place value. So, 3 will be in tens place, 2 will be in ones place, 1 will be in tens place, and 6 will be in ones place. Now, I will do the subtraction. Subtraction, we always start from ones place. Now, 2 is a smaller number, 6 is a greater number. So, we cannot subtract a greater number from smaller number. So, what we need to do here? We need to take borrow from tens place. So, what I will do? I will take a borrow from tens place. So, 3 will become 2 and it will give 1 tens to 2. So, this will become 12. 1 tens plus 2 will become 12. Now, 12 minus 6, we will get 6. 2 minus 1, we will get 1. So, we could say Nisha has 16 more bangles than Sukhi. Now, let's see the summary what we have discussed in this chapter. We understood about addition and subtraction. To add two 2-digit numbers using group of 10. making group of 10, how we can add two two-digit numbers. To subtract two two-digit numbers without borrowing and to subtract two two-digit numbers with borrowing. Right, children? So here we have come to the end of this session. I hope you have understood how to perform addition and subtraction with borrowing, without borrowing, and how to add two two-digit numbers making group of 10. So meet you in the next video with one more interesting topic. Until then, keep watching Vista's Learning. Bye-bye.